It is very nice to be part of this eminent judges and the students. My name is B. Gopalakrishnan. People call me BG. So whoever is available, you can call BG. And I worked in the corporate for almost so many years. When I say corporate, I was with Mr. Shivanadar for almost 5 years. Worked in his foundation for almost 5 years. Then Ajay Chaudhary, again HCL, for almost about 25 plus years. Then I started working for startups from 2015 onwards. So I would say that there is a new era which I could find only after when I came back to Bangalore and started working for the few new age entrepreneurs. Then I thought myself, okay, now this is a new route, I should take it. And I also ventured for my own company in way back 17, 18 for a AR/VR company I started. Still it is running. Then I went back to Deshpande startup. So here the story starts. I worked with Dr. Desh, and this is the man who has created one of the largest foundation at Hubli. Okay. So he used to say that there are three set of people. One is, for example, when you are traveling on the road, you are looking at a problem, either accident or something else. The gentleman one who stops and he looks at the problem. This is not my problem. He'll walk away. Okay, he just isolated. Hey, mera kaam nahi hai. Aage chalo. Okay, that is the first wala category. The second wala, he stops. He looking at the problem. He will start blaming everyone. Okay, ये government का problem है, ये society का problem है, ये student का problem है, ये bus driver का problem है. Everything he will start blaming. He curses and he increases the BP. Then he walk away. Okay, that is the second set of people. The third set, the person who comes, first he will be out of that problem. He will look at what is the emergency required. He will do everything. Then he gets into the grassroots. He gets into the grassroots to solve the problem. Okay, so I think there are whoever the people who is sitting here, that is the first attempt. You wanted to solve a large problem which is available here. And that is the first attempt. And somebody said, don't stop. I'm telling you, don't stop. Because today, after 40 years of experience, if I look back, if I would have started something in the way back as an entrepreneur, definitely my experience would be much more better. That is what it is. Comes like, but there are compulsions. So today I'm working with FPOs, that is for-profit organizations. There are about 7 people I'm working, and I'm working with non-profit organizations. Again, fascinating social entrepreneurs who is working in disability education, early child care development, and the lastly, which is on the English capacity building at the government schools. So there are many problems which is available. Today I'm telling you, your parents are available. Okay, they are also coming. They know that, okay, my son or daughter taking this route, right? And when you take the route, they will also support you. But you also take the plunge. They're saying that I'm going to solve a large problem. Because there are investors available. The investor will see always whether the problem is very large. Because we also go for juries for investment. Whether it is a large problem. A chota problem hai or bada problem. Okay. Bada problem hai, then pursue always so that you will get where you wanted to reach. And you can also create a sustainable organization, because there are 2 words which is available here. One is sustainable, another one is sustainability. Sustainability is always, there are 3 things: reduce, reuse and recycle. Okay, sustainable is anything you run, ये 3 साल after that चल रहा है, 30 साल आगे चलेंगे. That is sustainable organization. So the word is very, very apt. And as Desiga put, the purpose is very, very important, because I really like Dr. Geeta's statement, because anything you do, it has to be ethical. That is why I ventured into independent director, because ESG, environmental, sustainability, and the third one is governance, because you need to have a self-governance. ये वाला काम अच्छा नहीं है. I will not get any undue money from the market, because there are money which is available which will invest you and which will also spoil your company, right? Don't take that money. मैं आगे आगे बढ़ेंगे. It is okay. சின்ன சின்னதா நம்ம பெரிய ஆளாகலாம். Absolutely not a problem. But go in an ethical way. Have the entire governance structure which is available right from the first day, right? So that you can win. And once again, my congratulations to each and every one of you. Take a very clear purpose, which is the driver for your passion. That will give you very clearly a perseverance for making your career. Okay? All the very best and all the very best. And this is one of the word from Tamil. Okay, that is Thirukural. That is, Thirukural has got one of the fantastic management rhythm. Okay? இதை இவன் செய்வான் என்றெறிந்து அதை அவன்கண் விடல். Because என்ன சொல்லுவான் முதல்ல, anything which is starting from a team, right? When a team is set, everything is set. So when you wanted to identify a team member, this job will be done by this particular person only. ये sales है, ये sales का बंदा के चलिए. ये finance है, finance का बंदा चलिए. Okay? So go with that rhythm and set up a large team so that you can win over a large enterprise. Okay? All the very best. All the very best.